The future. It's impossible to see. And when it's finally here, it might not be what you'd expect. It might just be better. Introducing Luxury Electric. Introducing Lucid Air.
Hello niece and nephew, this is Uncle Robert. Today we're gonna talk about CCIV Lucid merger. Why did CCIV price crash? Lucid Investor release, Lucid technology and future, and most importantly, Lucid's current and projected valuation. Please remember to like and subscribe. This will really help Uncle Robert.
A warm welcome to everyone joining us here.
The rumor for CCIV Lucid merger become very hot topic. As time goes by, the anticipation grows stronger. Those who buy in early make a killing. In February, many reports start to come out. Some say 12 billion valuation, some say 24 billion valuation. Nobody knows what the stock price should be, but people just keep buying. And finally, when it announced, oh my goodness, price drop, what happened? Let's take a closer look at investor presentation. There's a total of 1.6 billion share. Based on today's closing price, Lucid should be worth 90 billion. But wait, what is this? Pipe? They privately sold share at $15. What the?
Public investments in private equity, there's something that I think a lot of people don't understand. They can be quite dilutive, especially if you look at a company like this one, where the stock has gained sextupled, in the last few months or so, purely on speculation that this deal will get signed. And then these investors see this news come out showing that, certain investors, some prior investors like the Saudis who anchored this pipe and other new investors were able to get their equity so much cheaper and then causing some dilution to those who already owned the company. For those who are really excited to own Lucid, now we're going to own a lot less Lucid than we thought we were going to own.
This pipe was needed to generate 4.4 billion cash. But it's a big letdown to know shares were sold at such a big discount to investor compared to CCIV market price. This caused a major sell-off until we reached price discovery. It's not unusual for unicorn company to jump 2 times or 3 times after IPO, but 6 times is a bit too much. Let's explore if Lucid is really worth.
This September, we started to build the first cars in our AMP factory in Casa Grande.
Exciting expansion.
This is just the first phase of our manufacturing expansion, with phase 2 kicking off shortly and scheduled for completion of the first step, general assembly, in 2022.
But expansion is capital intensive. Maybe 2023, Lucid will need to raise capital again. Lucid have strong management team with experience beyond just Tesla. Lucid have impressive scorecard. We'll go into some of these details later. But what bothers me is the number of reservations. Too low compared to Cybertruck, above 500,000, and this is report from half a year ago.
The fusion of the art and the science, the technology, all coming together in an incredible product which will offer the customer so much more luxury and comfort.
Lucid is targeting the luxury market, claiming Tesla is not luxury. Lucid easily beat luxury car on acceleration, power and price. There's a good growth in luxury market, but Uncle Robert thinks SUV has the greatest growth.
Supplier for the world's premier electric race car series, the World Championship. That pack was created, conceived, engineered, developed, and is actually manufactured here in this very building. That technology that we've developed and finessed on the racetracks is now finding its way directly into the Lucid Air.
Lucid battery technology really impressive, neck to neck with Tesla, far ahead of competition. Performance-wise, Lucid Air and Tesla really neck to neck again. No one else comes close. Tesla have own charging network, but Lucid's gonna use Electrify America? How can they provide 900 volt? Is it possible?
Fast charge over 900 volts. No one else has that. This is groundbreaking.
Besides faster charging, Lucid can do two-way charging. Interesting.
The Wunderbox enables us to charge very, very fast, and one of the most customer important systems is the bidirectionality. This will enable you to use the car as a battery system.
I'm sure Tesla can come up with something similar. Very useful in cases like Texas deep freeze.
We have one last sneak peek for you. Introducing Project Gravity.
very good they're going to SUV market. This new SUV will be launching in 2023. Seems like Lucid will have a new car every 2 years. This is very nice to see. In 2030, Lucid will have 500,000 production. This means Lucid is 10 years behind Tesla. Not too ambitious. But what is this? Looks like Lucid wants to supply battery to all industry, even aircraft.
Similar to how we supply battery packs to the premier World Championship EV racing series, we aim to grow as a technology supplier to other OEMs. We further believe that our technology has significant potential applications in the aviation, heavy machinery, marine, and agricultural industries.
We develop a whole host of cutting-edge technologies and systems fully in-house. One to mention would be our Dream Drive system. We have a host of 32 ADAS sensors.
This is where most EV makers are 3 to 5 years behind Tesla. Tesla has billions of driving miles for AI, 1,000 higher than the next closest. But seems like Lucid has good infrastructure set up. They're gonna be far behind if they develop their own self-driving. Maybe a better option would be to license from Baidu, Google, work with Apple, or even license from Tesla. Disclaimer, this is not investment advice. This is just for entertainment purpose only. Uncle Robert, just another dude on internet. Lucid claims low valuation, but based on today's stock price, Lucid is very close to NIO. These are the market cap comparison. Bear in mind that NIO, although behind in technology, have huge China fan base, China government support, and also battery swap innovation. Overall, Uncle Robert thinks Lucid is very strong in EV technology and battery technology. On paper, Lucid seems to have extendability to sell battery to other OEMs like aircraft. Lucid also show a strong suite of sensors ready for self-driving, although not proven. Risk is unproven manufacturing. Are they able to scale strongly? Will they develop a fan base like Tesla? A strong fan base really pushes the stock price up a lot and have high demand for cars. Looking at the pre-order number, this is a big question mark. Also seeing how Lucid is burning cash, their 4.5 billion is not enough to last them through. Lucid might need to raise cash again, maybe in 2023. Another big question mark is full self-driving. Uncle Robert don't think Lucid is anywhere close to Tesla, but maybe if they license from someone else or maybe from Tesla, they could be a lot closer. So Uncle Robert values promising Lucid today on paper 60 billion, which means $37.50 stock price. Once Lucid complete the factory and start delivering vehicle, as well as show expansion on track, Lucid valuation should go up to 90 billion. If we see Lucid gain a strong fan base moving forward, valuation would go up to 120 billion. As long as everything on track and Lucid gets full self-driving, Lucid could potentially be 30% of Tesla market cap. But in future, this can change if fan base increase and delivery catch up with Tesla.
We believe this is just the beginning for Lucid.
If you find this helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. This will really help Uncle Robert. Until next time, bye bye!